ready.
All right, everybody good to go?
I'm ready.
Ready. Good to go in the back.
So I just checked the radar and it shows that it's just barely touching us. And there's a line of red on its way straight towards us. So this is going to be epic. Oh, looks like somebody might have got stuck. He's rocking back and forth, trying to get out. We'll get him out. He's not stuck, but he's in there. He's getting it. It's hard to get those 40s stuck.
Nope, I'm stuck.
We're gonna go get him. Oh, we got another one stuck too. All right, Jeff, I'll pull you out. He's out.
Attaboy! Hell yeah.
lizard we got here. Very nice.
I'm gonna park right here. I guess whoever's not going over the berm should maybe line up here and try and start our windbreak.
I'm not sure I would do that, Jeff.
I'd like planning to the right. Two-door JK, can you hear me?
What do you want me to relay to them? We got several comms for them.
Just tell them to line it up back here. Technically, like legal.
I'll get you.
At least I can get back to my truck.
All right, we're gonna pull Jeff out. First try, woo!
Yeah. I wake up every morning with my head up in a daze. I'm not sure if I should say this, fuck, I'll say it anyway. Everybody tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. I don't know if it's a phase, I just wanna feel okay, yeah. I battle with depression, but the question still remains. Is this post-traumatic stressing or am I suppressing rage? And my doctor tries to tell me that I'm going through a phase. Yeah, it's not a fucking phase, I just wanna feel okay, okay. Yeah, I struggle with this bullshit every day, and it's probably cause my demons simultaneously rage. It obliterates me, the same stuff rates me, annihilates me. I'm about to break down, searching for a way out. I'm a liar, I'm a cheater, I'm a non-believer. I'm a popular monster. Break down, falling into love, now we're falling apart. I'm a popular monster. I think I'm going nowhere like a rat trapped in a maze. Every wall that I knock down is just a wall that I replace. I'm in a race against myself, I try to keep a steady pace. How the fuck will I escape if I never close my case? Oh my god, I keep on stressing. Every second that I waste is another second sooner to a blessing I won't take. But my therapist will tell me that I'm going through a stage. Yeah, it's not a fucking stage, I just wanna feel okay. Okay, motherfucker, now you